Alright, so let's go ahead and make up one of the ends of the Cat5 cable for our TV aerial test. First, I'm stripping back about 4 centimeters of the outer sheath. You don't need to go too deep here, just enough to expose all 4 twisted pairs inside. I've decided to use 2 of the pairs for the signal side. That's the orange pair and the blue pair. These twisted wires will be joined together to form the inner core, basically the center conductor of a coax cable. Now for the ground. I'm using the remaining 4 wires, the green pair and the brown pair. Trim the wires and strip back. And twist the 4 wires together. Next, to fit the collar and the clamp. And finally, push the twisted wires into the center pin. It's a tight fit, and then put the body on and screw the 2 together. Make sure it's nice and tight, and there you have it. And repeat this for the other end of the Cat5 cable. I'm now going to test the Cat5 conversion by connecting it to my workshop TV. First, I'll check the aerial signal strength without the Cat5 cable. As you can see, the strength is about 100% and the quality is about 84. Now I'm going to connect the Cat5 cable I made in series with the aerial output. The length of the cable is about 5 meters. Now let's take a look at the signal now. You can see it's dropped to 74%. Not as much as I expected. The Cat5 cable I used is high quality, which might be helpful here. It's clearly not a perfect replacement for coax, but over short distances it does the job. So there we have it, a Cat5 cable used instead of a coaxial lead, and the TV is still receiving a usable signal. I'll be doing more tests like this to see what works and what doesn't. For example, I'll show what happens when you don't twist pairs of the signal side. Thank you for watching, and if you found this interesting, feel free to like, comment and subscribe.